Hello and welcome to the Deeper Network. Let's start at the beginning with logging into your device. Once you have it plugged in and on your network, the login page is accessed by going to 34.34.34.34 in your browser. To log in, the username is admin and the default password is admin, all lowercase. Before you continue, it's always a good idea to change your default password. So navigate to the top right corner and click the user icon, and then change password. Once your new password is set, let's begin at the DPN menu and start with the Tunnels tab. Your Deeper device will have default tunnels already, but let's add some that we want and remove some that we won't need. To remove tunnels, click the box next to the tunnel you wish to delete, and scroll down to Delete. To add, choose a region and then a more specific location, and then click Add. Or you can choose any country if you don't have a specific preference. Your tunnels will populate over time, and each location will have a maximum of 3 tunnels available at any one time. Once you're happy with your tunnel selections, let's set the mode. Click on Mode above Tunnels, and you will have a selection of 3 choices: Smart Route, Full Route, or DPN Disabled. Smart Route will use all available tunnels to route specific sites and services to your chosen locations, but more on that in another video. Your home IP will be exposed, but you will have the ability to access multiple locations at once. Full Route will tunnel all internet activity to one location, protecting your network and your privacy. This is the most secure. DPN Disabled will keep features like ad blocking and tracker blocking, but you will not tunnel any information to any location. You will use only your local internet.